Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my book, www.themanwhosetselhimselfonfire.com. We also have a PayPal donation link in the description of this video. We're going to get right to it, guys. This is going to be a fun video. Now, I call this the ultimate karaoke machine. You can pair it wired or wireless with Bluetooth, and it comes with not one but two mics. Hey, I'm not going on filibuster too much longer. Let's jump right into the unboxing, and then I'm going to give you guys a special route by taking the bathroom. Let's get to it. But first, a word from our sponsor. Double Agent IPTV service offer flexible pricing so you can enjoy the best IPTV streaming experience. Download the Android compatible app to take advantage of the custom live TV guide, hundreds of live TV shows, all of your major sports packages, pay-per-view, and more. Love the service? Get paid by spreading the word through the affiliate and reseller program. Double Agent, the streaming service that keeps you in mind. Undecided? Try it out for 24 hours for only $1. Want it cheaper? Promo codes in the description of the video. Double Agent, the people's champ. Alright, let's have a quick look at the wireless Bluetooth speaker mic. Let's just call it the ultimate karaoke machine. Go ahead and unbox it. Take everything out of the box. It comes packaged really well. Now this is the accessory box where you're going to get your power cord. Also, you get not one but two microphones. We're going to look at that a little closer later. USB micro charger, some extra cables, 3.5 wires. Just different connections that you can use to hook it up, and of course you have your user manual, the speaker itself. The speaker is not too big, guys. It's very portable. Again, they have a very premium feel to it. The mics feel absolutely fantastic. Nice little weight to it. I mean, you can have a close-up at the microphone. Really feel like a professional mic. At the bottom of the mic, you're going to find the spot where you can charge it with the micro USB charger and also a power button. I can't get over how good this feels in my hand. I also come with some extra cards. You can see on this speaker, you can plug it up several different ways. As I mentioned in the video, you can pair via Bluetooth. You can pair 3.5. You have an in and an out. Just many ways, many things you can do with this particular Bluetooth speaker, guys. Go ahead and power on the mic, and you can see the little blue ring come on it, and this is everything that you have in the box. There you go. Press the power. You get that blue indicator. Again, you can adjust the volumes of the mic and the volumes of the speaker, the main speaker. Let's go ahead and pair it via Bluetooth and see exactly what this mic can do. See you guys back in the bathroom.
Mic check 1 2 1 2 1 2. Volume up, volume up. Let's crank the mic all the way up. Mic crank all the way up. 1 2 1 2. How many feet can I get away? 10 feet away. 12 feet away. 20 feet away. I'm in the back of my house. I know you can hear me. I'm in my back bed. I'm in my back bathroom. About 40 feet away. With walls. How far can I go? Mic check 1 2 1 2. Let me see if I can walk outside. By the front door. Outside the house. Walking. Don't know if you can hear me. I'm about a good 20 feet away. Don't know if you still can hear me. I'm at the road in front of my house. School bus passing. Don't know if you still can hear me. 50 feet away. Mic check 1 2. Back by the front door. 2 feet away. Alright guys, I got it hooked up. Got royalty free intro. So you want to be rapping, you can go ahead and get your little jams in. One time, tech, bathroom. Got the flow, I can do it, it's all night. You best believe if I grab the mic, get the crowd hype. Yeah, taking the bathroom with that killer flow. I got gadgets for days, XLX that you already know. Google Home, all through the house, IP cameras, yeah, there ain't no doubt. And I can stream with any type of device. Fire stick, fire cue, the video shield, yeah, that's nice. Hot, sun bobbing his head. He like that, then on his daddy had his flow, leaving dead in the dirt when I'm coming through. Stacking up the videos, doing it with the YouTube crew. DST, shout out. That's how we do it. Hold on. Alexa, ask 2, buddy, what is my live subscriber count?
TubeBuddy could not find any recent uploads for the channel Tech in the bathroom.
Alright guys, so there you have it. As I said, this is a fun little device. The sound get pretty loud, and not only can you pair one, but you can pair 2 mics, so you can have karaoke for days. You can see the distance. So I was able to go pretty far. I was quite surprised with the distance that I was able to go with the mics. Now, the thing I love about it, you can hook it up to a receiver. You also can hook it up to your TV. You can hook it up to your computer. So they have many ways where you can hook it up. Very versatile, very affordable. It's your boy taking the bathroom. Thank you guys for coming to my bathroom and helping me review yet another gadget. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe, and also share. And don't forget about our sponsor, Double Agent. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.